Hi, my name is Sumiyo Toribe. I'm making video for Paradise City Arts Festival during November 19th through 24th, 2020. It's online and I have my booth set up at home, and I'll show you that setup and also show you a demonstration for this painting. This is a kind of mini painting. The miniature painting is this one. So a little bigger, but it's still tiny and mini. That I have painting demonstration videos following this introduction. So this year is kind of unusual because of COVID pandemic, and I have only had one show in March and then everything shut down. So it was tough for all of us as artists and participating in art shows. But Paradise City had made this possible online for everyone to go to their website and have so many artist links are posted on their page, and also some demonstration videos links, and hopefully we have in-person show in the spring. So this painting is biggest painting I have is a triptych. The one panel, the paper is full size watercolor paper, 22 by 30. So 22 by 30. And the three of them together will be 30 by 66 inches. So this is the largest painting. And let me show you. So this is the wall. Have the regular triptych. It is 22 by 45. And then single panel paintings. It's all based on seasons in New England. And the spring is more inspiration from Japan. I'm from Japan. And those 4 season set is very nice to have, that you always get to feel all seasons throughout the year. And this is a very lovely New England, like a hiking path, beautiful nature during summer. And those are single seasonal paintings. The winter's coming. There's some winters and fall, summer, spring. And then those are mini triptychs, like a medium size, comparing to this one. It looks very small, but it's nice to have all seasons as well, with a tiny 4 seasons. And those are various 4 seasons. Everything is on Etsy. You can go to my Etsy site from my website, sumiyotoribe.com. And this is set up for now, since I don't get to go to set up my booth this year. And if you like to visit, you can request that virtual booth visit through my website. Hope you have fun online and stay safe and healthy, and I hope to see you next year. Here is a demonstration for the mini painting. I'm wetting the paper first with a tint of blue for sky color. Then going from high value color, which is yellow, then adding the next hue, which is orange, yellow from orange, and just a wet on wet technique to spread the color naturally on the paper by itself. Depends on the amount of water will change how it looks. Then adding more saturated red orange. The paper is getting a little drier, so it doesn't spread the color as much, and adding redder color, which is mixing alizarin crimson and having smaller details, and try not to go over all the light colors. I'm just establishing the ground with the darker color, which is a mixture of orange and purple, and adding the same type of darker color with purple to that tree. And again, try not to lose the light. My light source is where that bottom left side, that's where the sunset is beaming through the tree, so I try not to cover the area with a paint. So that gives a contrast with the dark, because there's extreme light and extreme dark, so that gives a balance in value in the painting. With the tree trunk and branches, I established a thicker part first. You can do one brush stroke, or you can have little broken strokes to make sure the control of the thickness. And if you have a good brush with a nice tip, you can pretty much do thick and thin, both variation, with one brush. Try to create different angles and directions and thickness, and you can look at the nature. You don't have to follow exact patterns of the reference picture if you have, but you can come up with those natural line creation by just to study the tree, and you can kind of be more creative in a painting. I'm using skinny brush for the details. The line where the sunlight, the branches are washed out with lighter and warm color, which I used orange for that. Here's a close-up. So there are so many beautiful different colors mingled where the shadows, it's not limiting to the gray or black for shadows. Watercolor, you can have layers of colors mingled and blended itself on the paper. Have fun painting, and see you in person next year. Bye bye.